Just using some rapid detailer on the van. It's a bit dirty. When I've been out cleaning vehicles all day long, sometimes when I get in, I'm not motivated enough to sort of wash it down, dry it, polish it. Sometimes I just have to go over it with the rapid detailer. As you can see, it's quite bad-ish. So I'm going to spray some on and give it a wipe. There we go. See the difference. I mean, the car's, sorry, my van's quite mucky-ish, but I don't always get the chance to clean it, you know, like to do it properly, which, you know, it's not probably not a good thing as a mobile valet, but it's my own van, it's out on the road a lot. I go to places where it's quite mucky, you know. If I wanted to keep it spot on all the time, I'd be cleaning it, you know, every other day, and I just don't get a chance to do that. There we go. I'll include a before and after pictures. So that's the Autoglym Rapid Detailer. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Take a look at the other uploads. Might be something that might interest you. Thank you.